Breaking news coming in. The SIT has seized 11 crore rupees cash in the Andhra Pradesh liquor scam. A probe is right now underway and major revelations have emerged in the Andhra Pradesh liquor scam that took place during the YSRCP regime. Now, Varun Purushottam, who has been listed as A40 in the case, has confessed to his role and has disclosed explosive details. Now, sources say that SIT conducted raids and seized 11 crore rupees in cash from a farmhouse on the outskirts of Hyderabad. The scam, allegedly involving thousands of crores, is now under investigation. The SIT has accelerated its probe in these recent days and is believed to have gathered crucial information about the involvement of senior YSR Congress party leaders. So SIT has got a major breakthrough as far as the Andhra Pradesh liquor scam is concerned. 11 crore rupees cash has been recovered from the SIT. Remember, this is a case that has been ongoing for some time now. And number of people have been arrested already. A case right now is underway and many leaders from the YSR Congress party have been also named as as accused in the case, and so far the SIT has now seized 11 crore rupees in cash from a farmhouse on the outskirts of Hyderabad, and there are a number of leaders from the YSR Congress party who have been named as accused in the Andhra Pradesh liquor scam case. So there have been arrests also recently made, but this is a major breakthrough for the SIT as 11 crore rupees cash has been seized in the case from a farmhouse. Let's get all the updates. Aneri, my colleague, is now joining us. Aneri, what details can you provide us about this SIT's major breakthrough? 11 crore rupees has been seized as cash from a farmhouse. What more details can you provide us?
Well, it's a major breakdown by the special investigation team, which has been probing the liquor scam, the Andhra Pradesh liquor scam, which is being alleged that there are crores of rupees which are involved in this scam, and many of the YSRCP leaders have been involved. Earlier, we had seen that YSRCP MP Mithun Reddy was also arrested, and now, following the further investigation, we see that in the outskirts of Hyderabad, the SIT officials had raided one of the locations and they found this 11 crores cash. Well, to whom this cash belongs to and what exactly are the links, this is all the further questions that is being investigated by the officials. But yes, now the special investigation team has found 11 crores cash in the outskirts of Hyderabad, which are said to be having links with the YSRCP, alleged links with the YSRCP in the Andhra Pradesh liquor scam, where we see that earlier also many of the arrests were made, and recent arrest was of YSRCP MP Mithun Reddy, and also at the same time in the charge sheet which the Andhra Pradesh liquors, in the Andhra Pradesh liquor scam, we had seen that it was mentioned that Jagan Mohan Reddy, the former Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, had received certain kickbacks monthly through various channels following this liquor scam. But now Jagan Mohan Reddy is not yet named as the accused in this case. But yes, now the further probe, further investigation will reveal what exactly is this and what links does this cash have now.
All right. Thank you, Neri, for all those details there. Thank you so much. And viewers, we have more